Come work with me as a nail tech, 2 different clients and 2 different vibes with prices included and a little restocking. Starting off with my first client, this was her birthday nails. It was definitely getting close to like the 4-week point where she haven't been to me, and I always let my clients know if you go any past them 4 weeks, it's a risk of your nails coming off or lifting. And if you haven't already, make sure you follow my TikTok. I'm going to put it up here, and you put your notifications on for my YouTube shorts because I'm going to post all the nails that I have done this week. This was only 2 of them. This is only 2 that I could actually capture. Right now, I'm just using my coarse ceramic bit to try to get all the nail art off as possible because she had a lot of like 3D gels going on. Now, that was just the left hand that I was working on. But when I got to her other hand, yeah, the lifting was pretty bad on that one. I was like, girl, you cannot go this long ever again. Like, I had to damn near behead the nail. Like, do y'all not see how much space that is from where the lifting was at? It was just a mess. And y'all see my little star of the show. I made a new purchase and finally bought the little mini stand-in bits, and they come in handy so much. They're not as coarse as the bigger ones, and I love that they're able to get into like that little empty space when you're doing a refill. Because when I would use the bigger drill bit to like try to like sand down their natural nails, I noticed that it had a lot of vibration, and like I could tell that it was hurting them. So I was like, okay, I don't want to use this one no more unless I'm just using it to like debunk the nail or something like that. And I'm sorry for my camera being out of focus. It's about to be fixed just in a minute. Moving on to the part that she hates. When she told me that she hates the application process, I was like, really? Like, I love the application process. I guess because I can see like the nails come to life. But she was like, yeah, I hate it. It's just so boring and repetitive. I'm like, oh my goodness. They actually make the nails come to life during the application process. But hey, to each his own. And I'm using the Savulent Monomer and Valentino's Prettiest Pink. I definitely have a love-hate relationship with Valentino. I love the colors of their powders. But the only thing that I hate is that they dry too quickly. Y'all just see me having a low-key struggle with doing that cuticle bead because it dries up so fast. And no matter like, I always try to like change my powder to liquid ratio. I was like, okay, if I have more liquid, let me see if it will, slow down the process of it drying so fast. No, it still did the same thing. And I was like, okay, let me just do it like how I regularly do. And let's see. No, it does the same thing. But I noticed with Dynamic, it doesn't do that. With Dynamic, it's perfect. It's perfect. It's perfect. That's why I tell y'all, if y'all want to get any powders for the low, go with Dynamic. Because I'm telling y'all, they have dupes for the Valentino powders. Like, whatever powders you're looking for, if you're looking for the ones that's like really pigmented and don't have like that sheerish look to them like how Valentinos have, they have those. And then they also have the ones that have that sheerish tint to them that mimic Valentino's powders. Definitely let me know down in the comments below if y'all deal with the same thing with Valentino, because I really need help. I don't know rather if I just want to just stop using it and just stick with dynamics or what. She ended up paying $55 for her refill, $30 for the refill, and $25 for the inspo pig nail art. While I was doing her nails, I was already setting things up for my client that's coming in the morning. She just want regular French tips, regular black French tips. And I made sure I had all my implements and things out and clean. My drill bits are in the dapping dish, so everything could be ready to go. See y'all in the morning. This morning was a little hectic. My client ended up getting lost and being like 30 minutes late, but she finally got here. And look at my nails just sitting here stalling. But when she got here, we had to hurry up and get to work because she had to be to work for 2. Mind you, her appointment was supposed to be for 11. She did text me at like 10:46 and was like, oh, what's the address, da, 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 and that she was going to be on the way. But her GPS kept taking her around the world, and she ended up not coming until 11:30. So she would have been here on time, and we could have got done way earlier. But things happen. Because at first I was like, girl, what is going on with your GPS? Because I'm like, nobody else GPS ever did that. Like, the way I set up my booking site was like the day before your appointment is going to send you the address. And you could just copy and paste it into like your Google Maps or Maps, whatever you use, and it'll take you straight here. But good thing she did not want anything strenuous. She just told me she wanted medium length and regular black French tips. And I'm like, whew, girl, good thing you chose that, because if not, you would have been late, because I'm not rushing. I noticed that every time you do a set of nails, you get better. Even if you did make a mistake, you learn from that mistake. And I'm so glad that I have learned from my mistakes, because it's like now I'm able to do nails faster, because I'm like, okay, have all this set up, prepped out, everything. Even if you feel like you don't have to have it out and you be like, oh, I could just grab it later. No, have it out is going to make a difference. Even down to the color swatches, I always have them like sitting next to their hand rest. So once I put the tips on, I'll be like, oh, you can pick your color. It's right there. So we were debating between these two colors, and it was Dynamics 177 and Bad and Bougie by Valentino. And she was like, oh, whichever one you pick, whichever one you want, you pick. And I'm like, girl, don't put this pressure on me. And y'all already know which one I went with. I went with Dynamics. Because even though Valentino is on my shit list right now, I love Bad and Bougie, but the color that she was looking for when she showed me the inspo pic, she want like that pinky base with the black French tips. And Bad and Bougie, it kind of gives more of like a darker pink than the pink that she want. Y'all gonna end up seeing at the end when I finish. And if you haven't already and you're still here towards the end, make sure you drop a heart down below and like this video. And if y'all have any questions about pricing or any products that I'm using, comment them down below too, and I will answer them with a quickness. I was not able to record her application, but if you want to see it, make sure you follow my TikTok. Her remaining balance ended up being $50, and she already paid a $20 deposit. The next day, I had to go on a little shopping spree to fill up my snack area. It was real empty. It was looking real skimpy. I made sure I got some waters, some regular chips, and hot chips, because, I want to be a little diverse here, and Cokes and Sprites. I made sure I really paid attention to what my clients ate and what they didn't eat, so I can make sure I don't waste my money on buying the same thing again. And when I bought the little cookies, the little Oreo packs, not that many people ate them. Me and my sister was mainly eating them. So I was like, okay, we're just not going to get the sweets anymore. We're just going to get the chips and the drinks, and that's it. I thank you guys so much for watching. Do not forget to like the video and go check out the short so y'all can see all the week of nails that I have done. And I'm going to see you guys in my next one. Bye.